All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol GBSN. The last time that we've looked at this one was going to be on February 10th and January 27th. It's going to be the last two times we've looked at this one. What a beautiful, beautiful move here. Volume coming in really, really strong with almost 200 million shares traded today. The volume's only picking up and everything is set up. I would definitely continue to watch this. It's kind of iffy technical analysis alert. It technically can go. I just don't like the fact that it's already made some big moves here. I would watch this one. I'm going to put it in the notes. Technical analysis alert / watch. It really depends. It could come down quick, in my opinion. Okay, I'm just saying because it's up 78% already. I would have liked to put this one on technical analysis down here. That's what I try to do. I'd never really try to put them up while they're already going. But GBSN, what a heck of a move for you guys. Congratulations to all you investors out there that follow this one or invested in this, because this is a heck of a move coming off of here for so long and just going sideways and not doing too much. So, like I said, hats off to you guys. Congratulations. And I'll go ahead and put my notes in, and Joe will take over when he gets a chance.
All right. So on March 22nd, 2017, they had their yearly. It was Great Basin Scientific reports fourth quarter and full year 2016 results. So the company reduced the operating costs, improved the gross margin and cash burn rate quarter over quarter. So fourth quarter revenue increased 39% year over year. 2016 revenues increased 42%. There was a 14% reduction in net cash used in operating activities for the third quarter to the fourth quarter of 2016, and there was a 34% reduction in fourth quarter G&A expenses, leads to 4% reduction in total operating expenses compared to third quarter. Quarterly gross margins improved 42 basis points over third quarter to best level of the year. Percentage of customers using more than one assay increased 17% quarter over quarter and 81% year over year. So they had a great, year, obviously. All right, so let's see. I'll read this right. I mean, this whole thing right here, there's a lot of it for people to go and check it out. I mean, they obviously did well. They're growing. It's a nice growing company. They're on the QB as well. So the quarterly full year performance, the gross margin improved 42 basis points in the fourth quarter compared with the third quarter, making the greatest improvement in gross margin during 2016. The company anticipates gross margin will improve throughout 2017 as cost of goods sold declines. The higher value staph IDR blood culture panels becomes more widely adopted in the stool bacterial pathogens. Panel receives FDA F10 clearance and is commercialized. So, I mean, that's something to look forward to right there. This right here, the stool bacterial pathogen panel receives the FDA clearance and is commercialized. I'm not sure if that happened yet, or it was written like that's what their expectations are for 2017. All right, so net cash used in operating activities decreased 14% in the fourth quarter to $7,516,300 compared with $8,708,100 in the third quarter. The decrease was due primarily to reduced research and development spending as the company completed the first of two clinical trials during the quarter. The second clinical trial was completed in the first quarter of 2017. The completion of these trials, along with the cost reduction measures taken in late 2016 and early 2017, should result in further reductions in cash burn in the first half of 2017. The revenue for the fourth quarter was $852,000, a 39% increase from the year ago, and a 16% increase from the third quarter of 2016. Over 94% of the fourth quarter revenue was from sales of C. diff and Group B strep assess. C. diff sales increased 14%, and Group B sales grew 274% as compared to the fourth quarter of 2015. So that's pretty good right there with this Group B strep sales, because that grew 274%. All right, so then it had 34% of the customer sites were using multiple assays in the fourth quarter, an increase of 81% from a year ago and a 17% increase over the third quarter. Revenues for 2016 was $3,048,000 compared with $2,142,000 for 2015, an increase of 42%. So, I mean, it goes on and on. There's a lot of different things going on with the company, obviously. All right, so if you want to continue to read this fourth quarter right there, the yearly, you go right over to the CBSN board. You'll see it right there on the filings, and it's from the March 15th, I believe. Let's see, yeah, March 22nd. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily.
All right, thank you, Joe. Over here on the chart, 0025 technical analysis alert / watch. This is why I'm doing that / watch. I'll explain that here in a second. No gaps and keep going from here, in my opinion. All depends on volume. Resistance at 0025 and 003. Support at 002 and 14. Down there, getting closer to those simple day moving averages, but that's quite a ways away. The reason why I'm putting on a technical alert / watch is that it technically has every single thing that I look for as far as technical analysis, but you're already 1 day ahead of this. So that being said, if that volume continues, yes, it can keep going, but I'm putting on technical analysis alert / watch because you're already 1 day into it. That's why usually I like to put it down here, but I feel that it could possibly keep going from where it's at now. GBSN, if you follow this one, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it. If you have a hot stock that you're following that you'd like to share with us as well, you can do so at investorshangout.com /live.